Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you DM China 3x3. This is for Chinese safe lock. This is how the stick looks like. In the package you'll find the universal handle, small tension handles, external manipulator, spare pins, 6 of them, 2 springs, 4 feeding card, and 2 hex keys here. Now, the stick has a cut here and a line. First step, take the small box, get 1 spring, insert it, with a cut towards the bolt, and you stop on the line, and you grab the hex key and you tighten it on both sides. It should be really nicely tightened, otherwise it might fall. Insert the external manipulator on the back. The point is to start and feel the tightening of the pins. Now they're too much tightened. For the Chinese lock, I strongly suggest light tension with pretty light pins. They should be able to move relatively easy, smooth, loose, whatever you want to call it. The decoder is fully assembled. Now let me show you the lock. This is the Chinese lock. This is how it looks like. Unfortunately, I don't have the key to show you, but in the next part I'm gonna make an opening so that you can see how easy it is to open the Chinese safe lock with the decoder. The decoder is fully assembled. Insert, make sure you're exactly in the correct depth, 90 degrees. This is the code. So every stick comes with a unique serial number. Make sure you understand that the traction of the pins is the most important thing. No force is needed here. DM decoder for Chinese safe lock, 3x3 levers.